Welcome to the Dream Forge Nexus channel. Ever feel like your dreams are behind a locked door, just waiting to be opened? What if the key lay within you, waiting to be discovered? Today, we'll unlock the universe's secrets to manifesting your wildest dreams. Think of your dreams as a project you've been putting off. You have the tools, the skills, and the desire to make it happen, but something's holding you back. Maybe it's self-doubt whispering in your ear, or a lack of clarity about where to start. The key here is to shift your perspective. You don't need a magic wand or a lucky wish. You have the power within you to turn that dream into reality. It starts with a small step. Let's say you dream of owning your own business. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the big picture, write down 3 things you can do this week to move closer to that goal. It can be researching business models, connecting with potential mentors, or simply setting aside time to brainstorm ideas. By taking action, no matter how small, you're sending a powerful message to the universe. You're serious about your dream. The universe responds to your energy. When you focus on the positive, visualize your success, and take consistent action, you attract opportunities that align with your desires. It's not about passive waiting. It's about actively shaping your reality through your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Think of the universe as a giant search engine. The clearer your intention, the better the results you'll get. If you search for how to start a business, you'll be flooded with information and resources. But if you search for how to start a successful bakery in my local community, your results will be much more focused and relevant to your specific dream. The same goes for manifesting. By being clear and specific about your desires, you send a stronger signal to the universe, attracting the resources and connections that can help you turn your dream into reality. So you set clear goals, visualize success in vivid detail, take action, but yet they remain frustratingly out of reach. When that happens, discouragement often becomes a familiar companion, whispering doubts that make you question the entire process. But before you throw in the towel, consider a radical possibility. What if the problem isn't the universe, but an illusion, a misunderstanding of how it truly works? There's a hidden language the universe speaks, a powerful lyric of energy waiting to be understood. In the next part, we'll unravel the secrets behind this language, revealing why your current approach might be hindering your progress. Listen closely, because what you're about to learn has the power to transform your perception of manifestation. It's a game changer, a key that unlocks a world of limitless possibilities. But there is another challenge that needs to be solved. Your brain is often like a constant battlefield. One side it is filled with positive thoughts and unwavering belief, whispers about the amazing things you can achieve. The other side, fueled by negativity and doubt, throws up roadblocks and whispers about why it'll never work. The truth is, both sides are powerful, but here's the secret: you get to choose which side wins. Your thoughts and emotions are like search filters on the internet of the universe. Positive thoughts and unwavering beliefs act like a high-powered filter, pulling in experiences that align with your dreams. Negativity, think of it as a filter so clogged it blocks out all the good stuff. The good news is that there is a real game changer: visualization. Imagine your goals not as some distant mountain peak, but as a stunning picture you're painting with your mind. The details matter: the vibrant colors, the feeling of accomplishment when you reach the summit. The more vivid the visualization, the stronger the neural pathways associated with your desires become, priming your brain to actively work towards making them a reality. The key is to combine these forces: positive thoughts, strong belief, and a clear vision. They create a powerhouse within you, a magnet attracting the resources and opportunities you need. It's not magic, it's understanding how your mind works and using it to your advantage. But there is more, so keep on listening. You don't want to miss this. This is the moment where we'll crack the code on how to activate this hidden potential within you. Think of the universe as a giant mirror, reflecting everything you put out there. When you radiate positive energy, unwavering belief that your dreams are within reach, you send a powerful signal. It's like transmitting a crystal clear message to the universe about what you desire. And guess what? The universe listens, it responds by aligning resources and opportunities with your vibration. Think of it like tuning your radio. The universe hums with a symphony of possibilities, and when your inner frequency matches your desires, magic unfolds. Suddenly, doors you never knew existed start to open. People with the skills and resources you need appear seemingly out of thin air. Obstacles that seemed insurmountable melt away in the face of your unwavering belief. So the code is to have this steadfast belief in that your dreams are already yours. The secret lies in unshakable belief. When you truly believe your dreams are already yours, obstacles transform, becoming stepping stones on your path to fulfillment. It's not about blind faith or passive waiting. It's about becoming a conscious co-creator with the universe. By actively focusing on your desires, taking inspired action, and radiating positive energy, you become a magnet that attracts the building blocks of your dreams. This isn't some mystical hocus-pocus. It's about understanding the power you already possess and using it to shape your reality. To understand this even better, let's delve into the philosophy of Neville Goddard, a writer and mystic. He emphasized the concept of feeling the frequency of fulfillment. Goddard stressed cultivating the feeling of living in the end as the key to attracting your desires. Imagine basking in the joy of your fulfilled wish. This emotional resonance, according to Goddard, becomes the beacon that guides your desires towards you. This focus on positive emotion beautifully complements another powerful approach to manifestation. We also have a fascinating duo unlike any other, Esther and Jerry Hicks. They channeled a collective consciousness known as Abraham, offering a unique perspective on the law of attraction. Abraham emphasizes that you vibrate at the frequency of what you attract. Don't dwell on lack. Instead, acknowledge your desires and focus on feeling good. Techniques like visualization, vividly picturing yourself with your dream fulfilled, and positive self-talk elevate your emotional state, according to Abraham. The universe then naturally responds to this positive vibration, bringing your desires closer. It's not about brute force, but about aligning yourself with the universe's inherent abundance. Before we wrap things up, let's empower you to take action. We've explored powerful concepts, and now it's time to equip you with some practical tools you can start using right now to manifest your dreams. 1. Plant seeds of positivity into your mind by writing a gratitude journal. Every morning, right after waking up, take 5 minutes to write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. It can be anything. A steaming cup of coffee, a supportive friend, or the simple fact that you woke up healthy. This practice shifts your focus to the good already present in your life, raising your overall vibration and attracting more positive experiences. 2. Daily dose of affirmations to reprogram your inner critic by using positive affirmations on a daily basis, as often as you can remember. Choose affirmations that resonate with your goals. For example, if you want to boost your confidence, try "I am capable and worthy of achieving my dreams." Repeat these affirmations out loud in the morning and before bed. Write them down and stick them on your mirror. The constant repetition reprograms your subconscious mind for success. 3. A vision board to create your own personal dream catcher. Grab a poster board and magazines. Cut out pictures, quotes, and anything that visually represents your dreams. Put them together to create a collage that embodies your desired future. Look at your vision board every day to keep your goals top of mind and ignite your motivation. 4. Using the power of as if by using visualization and taking action. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Now visualize yourself living your dream. Imagine how you feel, what you see, and what you hear. But here's the key: add action. Imagine yourself taking inspired steps towards your goals. This as-if exercise programs your mind and body for success. 5. The Action Taker's Checklist. By taking small steps every day, you get big results. Break your big dream down into small, actionable steps. For example, if you want to write a book, your daily action might be to write for 30 minutes. Every day, complete your action step, ticking it off your list. These small wins build momentum and keep you moving forward. This is just a taste of some of the powerful tools at your disposal. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, You'll cultivate unwavering belief, radiate positive energy, and take inspired action. This is the secret sauce to manifesting your dreams and transforming your life. Remember, positive thinking is the key. The stronger your belief, the faster your dreams solidify into reality. Thank you for listening to the Dreamforge Nexus channel. Subscribe for more tips and share your success stories in the comments. Let's build a community of abundance together.